Hello friends, this is median part 5. In this, I will explain you how we can find missing frequencies with the help of median formula. In the previous 4 parts, I have discussed what is median, its merits and demerits, and how we can calculate median for individual, discrete and continuous series. So let's start with an example to understand how we can find missing frequencies. Here we are given with the marks frequency distribution, in which marks are given in the form of classes, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 50 to 60. Along with that, number of students are given. But for two classes, that is 10 to 20 and 40 to 50, number of students are missing. So we need to find these two number of students for these two classes with the help of additional information, that is n is 100 and median is 30. So let's start with the solution. Here we are given with n, that is summation f is 100 and median is 30. I am making one assumption here, that is let's represent marks by x and number of students by f. So in this table, rather than writing marks and number of students, I have written x and f as per the assumption. Now in the second column you can see for two classes 10 to 20 and 40 to 50, frequency is missing and in front of frequency question marks are put. So we need to again replace these two question marks. So again I am making assumption that I am replacing the missing frequencies by f1 and f2. So now in place of question mark I can put f1 and f2. Now as per the solution of the median for the continuous series, the first step is we need to find cumulative frequencies. So for the purpose, I have added third column here. For the first class, that is 0 to 10, cumulative frequency would be the same as the frequency, that is 10. For the second class, cumulative frequency would be the previous class cumulative frequency plus same class frequency. So that is 10 plus f1. Similarly, for the next class, the cumulative frequency would be 35 plus f1. For the next class, it would be 65 plus f1. For the second last class, it would be 65 plus f1 plus f2. And finally, for the last class, it would be 65 plus f1 plus f2 plus 10. That is 75 plus f1 plus f2. Then the second column sum, that is the summation of f, is given in the question, that is 100. So that is why I have put summation of f as 100 for the second column. Now second step is we need to calculate n by tooth item. So n is 100, so that is 100 by tooth item, which will give us 50th item. Now next step is we need to find the median class. So what would be the median class? So for this, one information is given in the question, that is median is 30. So with this 30, we need to find the median class. So wherever that 30 will lie, we will say that this is the median class. So that means we need to locate 30 in the given classes. So here you can see I have put one arrow mark in front of 30 to 40. That is, this is the median class. So question arises, why 30 to 40 and not 20 to 30? It is very simple, because we are dealing with the exclusive continuous series. Now again question comes, what is exclusive series? So exclusive series is that series in which the upper limit of the first class becomes the lower limit of the next class. So you can see here for the x column, every class upper limit becomes the next class to lower limit. So that is the exclusive continuous series. Now with this concept, we have to understand this thing, that if 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, if 30 is lying in both the classes, so wherever I have to take 30, I will take 30 in the 30 to 40 class, because this is the rule of exclusive class, that the upper limit will not include that particular value in the same class. So that means 30 will not come in the 20 to 30 and it will come in the 30 to 40. So that is why I have taken 30 to 40 as the median class. Now this is showing you with the highlighted color. I have highlighted the class. This is the median class. Now with this, we will see how we can find the median. So for that, we will use the median formula, that is the median equals L1 plus M minus CF divided by F into L2 minus L1. Now what these notations are telling to us? So for that, you can refer median part 4 video, in that I have explained you the meaning of the notations. Here I am finding the values of these notations. So you can see the value of the notation I have shown you here, that is M equals to N by 2, which is 100 by 2, that is 50. F is the frequency of the median class, so which is 30. L1 is the lower limit of the median class, it is 30, and L2 is the upper limit of median class, it is 40. And CF is cumulative frequency preceding to the previous class. So it is 35 plus F1. Now we will replace all these values in the formula. So here I am writing median is given in the question, that is 30. So we can write here 30 equals 30 plus 15 minus 35 plus F1 divided by 30 into 40 minus 30. Now we can simplify this. That is, firstly we will solve the last term, that is the 50 minus 35 plus F1. Here we will brackets off, and after removing the brackets, the sign will reverse of the 35 and the F1. So it would be now 30 equals 30 plus 50 minus 35 minus F1 divided by 30 into 40 minus 30 will give us 10. Now we can transpose right hand side 30 to the left hand side, so that will become minus 30. So it is 30 minus 30 equals 50 minus 35 will give us 15 minus F1 divided by 30 into 10. So 30 minus 30 would be 0. Now we can multiply 10 with the 15 minus F1. So it is 150 minus 10 F1 divided by 30. Now we can cross multiply 30 to the 0. So it would be 0 into 30, which is equals to 150 minus 10 F1. So that is 0 equals 150 minus 10 F1, that will give us 150 divided by 10 is equals to F1, or we can say F1 is equals to 15. So that is the first missing frequency. We find here first missing frequency as 15. Now we need to find second missing frequency. So for that, again we will come back to the table. Here you can see the summation of F is 100. That means whatever is the sum of the second column, that we need to equate by the 100. So that is 75 plus F1 plus F2 is equals to 100. Now we can simplify this and we can write this as F1 plus F2 is equals to 100 minus 75. Or we can say F1 plus F2 equals 25. Now we have just calculated the value of F1, that is 15. So we can replace this value in the above equation and we can write it as 15 plus F2 equals 25. We can transpose 15 to the right hand side and can write F2 equals 25 minus 15. That is F2 is 10. So now we have found both the missing frequencies, that is F1 is 15 and F2 is 10. So we can replace these two values in the table. So now we are replacing question marks by the missing frequency values. That is, you can see highlighted by red color. These are the missing frequencies. For class 10 to 20, the missing frequency or the number of students are 15. For class 40 to 50, the number of students are 10. So friends, this way I have explained you how we can find missing frequencies with the help of median formula. Today I have taken the case of continuous series. So I hope the concept will be clear to you. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos and like, share and comment on my videos. Happy learning to all. Thank you.